Yeah. And I got a colorful aura.
Yo, this is motherfucking Eli back in the motherfucking building. Yo, if you guys are new here, what the fuck you guys doing? Hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. Alright, to all my new subscribers here, we do this shit every fucking day. We're on the road to 100 subs. Yo, we about to react to Squeeze Benz bugging out on a Ducati. If you guys don't know Squeeze Benz, what the fuck are you doing? Let's get it. Hey, yo. That Urus vid with Neon was the craziest shit, bro. His merch is low-key fire, though. Yes, guys, this is a video game. Please follow all traffic rules. Let's get it. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? I thought that was a roller coaster or something. Like, bro, this nigga... Bro. What is he doing? Like, I get it. He's on a bike so he can just kind of squeeze through cars. Like, that's what bikes are supposed to do. But, like, it's squeezed, though. This guy, like, doesn't chill out. Like, he doesn't chill. He's always on it. Like, look at... Dog. He could get killed. Somebody could just run his ass over. Oh my god. He's swerving the bike? Bro, oh my god, bro. This nigga has balls of steel, bro. Pause, but bro.
Really, nigga?
Dog, it's New York. Somebody could just fucking make a left randomly or make a right or swerve out randomly. He could be gone just like that. Just like that, nigga. He treats this shit like it's a video game. I swear to God he does. Ever since I found out about this nigga, bro, I swear to God that's what he does. He be trying to get like XP points and shit. Like, bro. He's like going in between the cars and there's like this much room, bro. He don't care if it... I don't think he cares if he die or not. Look, it's another biker. He's trying to get active with you. He's like, what the fuck are you doing? He's like, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, he's like, pass me, nigga. You wildin'. Pass me, nigga. You wildin'. What the fuck? And does bro think he can respawn? Or am I missing something? This nigga is too crazy. Bro, he's doing this in New York. New York is known for crazy shit happening, crazy accidents. Just a bunch of crazy shit. He just doesn't care. Just doesn't. Bro, this is fucking crazy, bro. This is wicked. I mean, him being on a bike, he's a lot freer to do some shit like this versus a car, because a car is a car, obviously. But, bro... Oh, we found some more traffic. Look at this nigga. Here it is. Oh my... Bro. This nigga can literally die right here. I think this will happen, bro. He had one bad experience at high school. Ever since that one moment, nigga, he's just been on crash out mode the whole time. He don't give a fuck. That's what I think. Cause there's no reason for you to be doing some stupid shit like this, bro. What is... Oh, what the fuck? What is that, 140 on a bike? That shit probably feels insane. Nigga, I feel like he glided. Oh, yeah. So he's a... so he's a freaky nigga. Yeah, so he's a freaky... Guys, that nigga is freaky. Anyways, if y'all enjoyed the fucking vid, like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 100 subs. Big hundo in the building. And comment, guys, who I should react to, okay? Hopefully my camera doesn't fuck up, and your boy's out of here.